honeys, and welcome to today's video. Today is episode 4 of my trying out popular products. I'm going to be trying out Jackie's Boys Coconut Calling Jelly. Basically this product smells kind of okay, not so wow like the other Jackie's products. So starting on freshly washed hair, and I'm spritzing in aloe vera and water juice, and I'm also going to add my leave-in conditioner, that's Quench by Jackie's. I'm going to work that in, work it in. I'm going to section that section, and I'm gonna add the gel to the section. So basically the gel felt really thick. I was just trying to get to know whether I would like the smell, but I didn't like the smell. But it feels so thick. You can see it's very thick gel. It's thicker than Eco Styler apparently. So I'm just gonna apply it to that section, work it in as usual. Make sure it gets saturated into that section. So after working that in, I'm going to separate the hair and do a simple 2-strand twist, and that's going to be it. I'm going to do the same thing I did. I'm going to do it all over my hair, and I'm going to be right back to show you guys how it looks when I finish twisting all my hair. So honeys, I came back for a quick tip. Basically when twisting your hair, you make sure you twirl the end around your finger. It makes it turn out bomb and it makes your twist out look so nice. So basically I'm just going to remove the excess product from my hair, and I'm going to continue doing the same thing all over my hair. And also do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you'll be notified when I post the video. So honeys, basically I'm done twisting my hair, or I'm almost done twisting my hair. I'm just gonna let it sit and I'm gonna come back tomorrow. So honeys, this is the next morning and my hair looks so shiny and soft and it looks moisturized. I'm gonna be using olive oil to separate the twist. Basically my hair looks good already, like it's shiny, and I hope twist outs come out good. So I'm just gonna separate the twist and I'm gonna show you all how it looks like. Hopefully it looks bomb, but it looks like it's gonna be bomb because it's already shiny. So this is how it looks like. Not so bad. So I'm just going to unravel and separate more, and I'm going to come back to you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you'll be notified when I post the video. So I'm going to get to unraveling this twist, mommy. So honeys, I'm done unraveling my twist, and the shine came through, the moisture came through, definition came through, and the softness definitely came through. So basically I'm going to style my hair anyway, and I'm going to say that this product is actually really good. This Jackie's Boys Jelly is really nice, so I'm going to give it a 10/10 basically. And I'm also going to say don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button.